Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Airtable Automations with AI generated fields step by step clearly. To get started, log into your Airtable account. Open the base where you want to set up automations. Create a new table or select an existing one. Add the fields you want to use for your AI generated content. Navigate to the Automations tab in your Airtable base. Click on Create an Automation. Select the trigger event for your automation. You can choose options like when a record is created or when a record is updated. After selecting the trigger, set up the condition. Now, click on the Add Action button. Select Run a script from the list of actions. In the script editor, enter JavaScript code to call the AI API. Make sure to configure your API request parameters correctly. Parse the API response to extract the generated fields you need. Map the generated content to the appropriate fields in your Airtable table. Test the automation to ensure it works as expected. Once happy with the results, turn on the automation. Monitor your Airtable base to see your AI generated fields in action. You're now equipped to use Airtable Automations with AI generated fields. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.